Apple just dropped the sleekest MacBook Air yet, the M4, but is it really the best value laptop in 2025? Let's find out in 5 minutes. Number 1, design and display. The design, still that iconic fanless wedge, thin, silent, and now available in a brand new sky blue. We've got a stunning 13.6 or 15.3-inch Liquid Retina display, 500 nits of brightness, and true tone for color accuracy. It's portable, weighs just over a kilo, and yes, it still has MagSafe, dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, and a headphone jack. Number 2, performance. Powered by Apple's M4 chip, this Air is anything but light in performance. A 10-core CPU with faster memory, 16-core neural engine, and up to a 10-core GPU for the 15-inch model. Real-world use? Super smooth in Final Cut Pro, snappy app launches, and even light gaming runs well. All models now come with 16 gigs of RAM standard, upgradable to 32 gigs. That's a big leap for multitaskers. Number 3, battery and features. You'll get up to 18 hours of battery life. That's a full day plus overtime. There's also Wi-Fi 6E, support for 2 external 6K displays, and a much improved 12-megapixel webcam with center stage and desk view. Add spatial audio, 3 mics, and a keyboard with Touch ID, and you've got the perfect remote work or school machine. Number 4, price and value. Now here's the kicker. The 13-inch starts at just $999, the 15-inch $1199. With 16 gigabytes of RAM as base, this is arguably the best value laptop Apple has released in years. Compared to older M1 or even M3 models, this is a serious upgrade at a fair price. Number 5, verdict. If you're a student, creative, remote worker, or just want a premium daily driver, the M4 MacBook Air checks every box. It's powerful, portable, future-proof, and honestly, kind of a no-brainer at this price. Unless you need pro-level GPU or XDR displays, this might be all the Mac you need. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech drops. Which Mac would you pick in 2025? Let us know below.